Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am playing Jailbreak, and yes, I have changed my character, obviously, because I look cuter now. I look better with my little badge, and with my freckles.
My
they look
uncle
like
takes
freckles.
so long in the bathroom.
Oh yeah, guys, I am playing with my brother, but he needs to use the bathroom. So he is in the game, but yeah, he has to use the bathroom. But our uncle is in there, and he takes forever. Like, have you ever had an uncle that takes that long? Like, I honestly wish I never had one like that. Very selfish and rude. Like, yeah, look at her face. She's like, how rude. I don't like this. How rude. But anyway, this is not what we're going to be talking about. Today, we're going to snatch my bro. Anyway, my brother is just complaining, and I don't know where he is. Yep.
We gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah, he has to use the bathroom. Pull the lever. The lever, actually. Hey, move. Okay. Ooh, I see a helicopter. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna go over there and try to shoot it.
Well, I gotta go to the bathroom. Aren't you just brushing your hair? Aren't you just brushing your hair in there?
Where is it? Okay, it's literally right where I am right now. And shoot. Oh, yes, it's broken down.
Not in the bathroom.
How is it? You serious? Is he AFK? No. Stop it. Stop. Only if we could kill them. Whoa. Ooh. But anyway, since I escaped, not really escaped from the prison, but since I am a cop, I must do cop things. Totally cop things. Anyway, we're going to the garage. I spent $1,000 on something very, very beautiful. It's actually not that cool, like other people's cars, but yeah. I should have not got that mad like that time, because I could just click V to turn the car around. So, yeah, if it didn't turn around, I could just do that. One time I was like, hey, what? My car's stuck when I went down the, like, thing, the new thing. I'm going to show you guys it. But first, let me cut out my car. Whee! The only thing that I bought for $1,000 is this beautiful thing right here. This. Yes, I know. It's very beautiful. Who's screaming? Stop fucking me. Anyway, I see a helicopter, but I'm not gonna get star. Oh, look! It's my brother! Guys, it's my brother. I'm gonna go on his screen and put him in the car. My brother's in the car now. Oh. Go! You better not go. No. Okay, they stole my key card and I'm triggered. Triggered.
You can still get in the police station.
Yeah, I know. They stole my key card, so that means they can go in the bank. That was a terrible. Why was I standing so still? Why? But
Maybe you should go to the bank right now.
We're driving away, so
go to the
no.
bank.
Fine.
What?
Guys, we have drama problems coming on right now. But anyway, we're going and I'm losing. Guys, I don't feel like wasting no Robux, because I never waste Robux in any type of video, not even a horror video, not even like a struggling video, not like a parkour video. I'm not even gonna cheat. I'm not even gonna waste Robux or anything.
It's daylight savings time, you know that, right?
What?
It's daylight savings time. We're gonna have to go early.
Yeah. Okay. What happened to this car?
It's glitched.
No, I didn't. I fixed it.
Oh, you did?
Ah! Seriously, what?
Criminal!
Hold up.
Trace that criminal!
Oh, oops.
Me!
We're running. Oh, stop it!
Let's see.
Whoa. What happened to my brother's screen right now? What? It looks like we're on the truck. Guys, I don't know what happened. Sure. He might be with someone else, or is it just me? He might be with someone else. But I am triggered. I really want to do that. What?
It's some type of glitch. I gotta get out of this car.
Okay, get out.
Don't get in the car.
Get in! Get in! There's a criminal! We have to follow. Hurry. Okay, we're going. Ow! My butt! What happened to our legs? That's why I'm so triggered. He went this way. Ouch. No, he went this way. He didn't run into a tree. He didn't do anything. He ran this way. Oh, he's leading us to the museum. Thank you. And every single time I was a... Seriously! What? Ouch!
Okay.
Okay,
Oh
you know what? No. Guys, I will see you guys when the horror stops. Or maybe not. And...
Let's just go to the bank before we have to hear those terrible sirens.
These terrible sirens? Well,
Go to that ramp. Go to that ramp.
Okay. Yow, buddy. That's what a cowboy would say. Ready, set, ready!
You only got a monster truck, Mimi?
No, I don't have enough. I only have, I only have 1K, and they're going to the museum. Hallelujah. I'm gonna say thanks for telling me I love it. Thanks for telling me I love it. So we're gonna have to go all the way here. No problem, mate. Okay, he said no problem, mate. Okay, then they're not going to the museum anymore because I just spoiled it. I was like, oh, okay, thank you for telling me that you're going to the museum. And she was like, no problem, mate. And I was like, XD. If you guys are noobs and you don't know what XD is, I'm sis. What? I'm sis? Who's I'm sis? Anyway, I should have an ult account named I'm sis. Ooh, that would be good. 1323. Wow, okay. Archie Juchu. We should start having alt accounts so people can try to crowd us or something. Oh, we're here! The police is here! Let's go! Oh, we have to go up there. Okay, let's leave. No, don't leave, okay? Just let me lock my door because I don't want anybody in it. I'm supposed to be the driver. Ouch.
Okay, let's go up.
Wait, don't go yet.
I'll be on the
Lock.
ladder.
Okay, go. You cannot lock your car here. You're so dumb, King. Oh my gosh, she just said that you're dumb, King. Okay, King, you see those bombs? You have to go to what, okay? And hold E, okay?
Are they?
Oh, never mind. Let's go. Bring out your tasers! Hopefully we don't die. Ouch! Okay, no. Oh, am I dead?
No, you just
I'm feeling alive! Ah! I'm gonna die, okay? I'm leaving. Sore loser.
Oh, there's the bombs.
Help me!
Hey, come on, just get in the car.
I ran in the car, okay? I'm done. I left you! Okay, I'm gonna come back once the criminals follow me, okay? They're following me, so, yeah. I don't know how much health I have because the face cam is, like, covering it. I have to look.
What face cam?
Okay. I have a lot of health yet. I'm really scared. Somebody came going really fast. Hopefully they're not at the museum anymore. I'm gonna go back to the museum. There's no problems going on, so we should stop. Okay, Lord. Oh my Lord! I said. Okay, when you. Oh. When you hear the sirens, tell me. Turn up your volume.
I don't know.
I'll be right back. I helped my brother. His volume is all the way up now. Okay, those criminals are bad. Oh no! I don't remember where the museum is. Shoot. Oh Lord. Someone started a robbery, okay. Tell me when you hear the sound.
Are you there yet?
No.
Are you there yet?
No. This video can only hold 12 minutes. Not 12, 15 minutes. And it's been 12 minutes already. Guys, it's my my auntie, awkward auntie.
Oh, Roma.
You lived a good life, King. No, he died.
This is all your fault.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button.